Hey guys, Min here. So today I'm going to talk to you about my DJI OSMO 5. This little gimbal has been pretty amazing. However, I've been having some questions about this little magnetic mount. Now, I have a iPhone with MagSafe on it that's also magnetic. What if I could do something like this that's just directly mount onto that? That would be sweet, wouldn't it? Now with this, I gotta put it on and latch it, and it's just pretty annoying. I would love to have something that's a little bit more magnetic, easy to travel with. And this is where I found this little bad boy. This thing is a magnetic phone mount exclusively for DJI OSMO 4. But it also works for OSMO 5. So let's open it up and see what's going on. So let's see here. Let's open the sucker up. It says Mag Buddy series. And if you open it up, it tells you how to do this. And inside there is a magnetic full mount. So there is a accessory pack. Let's open up the accessory pack. What's inside? Oh, there's a ring and sticker. Hey, interesting. All right. And also this thing. Okay, so that's pretty cool. All right. So only thing you need to do is take your phone, take this, and there it is. Oh, you got to make sure it's straight. And then take your Osmo gimbal and just line it up the knot. Look, there it is. That's it. That's it. That's it. It's that simple. And let me power it on. And it works. Look, it's perfect. All right. So I hope this was helpful to you. If it is, please give me a thumbs up. And also, I'll leave the information about this little mount in the descriptions below. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.